Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create PDF file from the image on your device. So in the first step, we have to open the gallery or the image from the files on your device. So I need to open the Google Photos. Then choose the photo that you want to make a PDF. Like this one. Now click on the share icon and tap on the more. Then check the list and look for the print. Now tap on the select printer and choose save as PDF. Click on this little icon and choose save. And that's it. Now you successfully created the PDF file from the picture. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.